How to make a computer to open automatically. Let's say you are accessing a computer remotely. It could be your work-based computer that you connect from home, or vice versa. It could be a computer at home to which you connect at work, and you want it to stay on all the time. However, in some cases, the computer may shut down due to power failure or other reasons. When the power turns on again, if you want the computer to start automatically, there is a setting in BIOS settings for this. Let's see this now. While the computer is starting, you need to enter the BIOS settings, generally by pressing the F2 key, or it could be the delete key. It depends on the brand of the computer. For example, on my computer, the setting is under power management. Under that setting, there is AC back. This option will allow the computer to turn on automatically when power is on. By pressing Enter key, we can see the three options. Memory always on, always off. Memory option saves the last state of the computer when it is shut down. If it was on, it turns on again. If not, it stays off. The always on option is whether the computer was on or off, it turns on as soon as the power is on. Always off keeps the computer turned off. I choose always on, then save and exit setup. Click yes here. This way our computer will no longer shut down as long as there is power. I made this on a desktop computer. However, laptops have the same setting. There is a difference only. The laptop needs to be plugged in to be able to turn on. So if it is running on battery, it will not turn on automatically after power loss. BIOS settings differ from computer to computer. Here I will show you where the same settings are on several computers that I have. We have another computer here. Let's look at the BIOS setting for this. We choose the power option, then after power failure, it is under this setting. Stay off, last state, and power on. The same setting is this option. Let's look at another computer. I choose advanced and then boot options. Click it, and this is our setting after power loss. It is under after power loss option. You can change it as power off, power on, or previous state.